Welcome friends! Today we are making delicious rotisserie chicken spring rolls. As you can see, I have already sliced a seasoned pre-cooked rotisserie chicken, which is a real time saver and budget friendly. You will need rice paper and rice noodles, cooked rice noodles, sliced cucumber, sliced carrot, bean sprouts, Thai basil, cilantro, and lettuce. Begin by quickly dipping a rice paper in warm water. Now to the moistened rice paper, add lettuce, cilantro, basil, bean sprouts, sliced carrot, sliced cucumber, rice noodles, and sliced rotisserie chicken. You can really taste the rotisserie chicken and fresh herbs. You gotta try it. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching our video. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.